Children, now let us learn about the similarity of triangle. You are familiar with triangles and many of their properties from your earlier classes. In class 9th, you have studied congruence of triangles. Recall that two figures are said to be congruent if they have the same shape and the same size. The figures which are having same shape and same size are called congruent figures. See the figures of Taj Mahal here. They are having same shape and also they are having same size. So they are congruent figures. And you see the circles C1, C2, C3. They are having equal radii. Means their sizes are same here. And they are also congruent circles. And you say the four squares. Their shape is square shape and also their sizes are equal. Means their sides are of equal length. So they are congruent squares. Next, see the triangles. They are having same shape and also same size. So all these three triangles, triangle ABC, triangle DEF and triangle PQR are congruent triangles. Congruent figures are having same shape and same size, and their corresponding parts are also equal. Their corresponding parts are also equals. So here one more property that you can study, that is the similarity of triangle. Similarity of triangle. And you know what is similar figures here first. What are similar figures? Two figures having the same shape are called similar figures. Here the same size, the word is not there. The word same size is not there. Only the figures which are having same shape are called similar figures. It means these two Taj Mahal figures are similar figures. These three circles are also similar figures. These four squares are also similar figures. These three triangles are also similar figures. You know that they are also congruent. But here let us clear about the similar figures. See these three Taj Mahal figures. You know that they are not congruent because their sizes are different. Their sizes are different, but they are having same shape. Here figure 1, figure 2, figure 3. Figure 1, figure 2, figure 3. They are not congruent, but they are similar. Why they are similar? Because they are having same shape. And next you see the circles. Here there are four circles. Four circles, they are of same shape, that is circle shape, and they are similar. Their radii are different. Their sizes are different here, but they are having same shape. So they are similar. Next, see the squares here. Here there are four squares. They are similar because they are having same shape. Next you take the triangle here. All these four triangles are equilateral triangles. They are equilateral triangles and they are also similar here. They are also similar. So here, so what is the difference between similarity and congruence? You know that congruence figures are having same shape and also same size. But here you know that congruence figure also similar figures as they are having same shape. So you can say that all congruent figures are similar figures. All congruent figures are similar figures. But here these are not congruent figures, but they are similar figures. So similar figures may not be congruent, but all congruent figures are similar figures. All congruent figures are similar figures, but similar figures may not be congruent. Not necessarily they are congruent, but congruent figures are always similar. We can say that all congruent figures are similar, but similar figures need not be congruent. All congruent figures are similar, but the similar figures need not be congruent. And you know that in all the cases here, these are all congruent triangles, they are also similar. And here these are all congruent squares, they are also similar. These are congruent circles, they are also similar. Similarly, these two photographs are congruent figures and they are also similar. But here, see this, three figures are of same shape, but because of their different size, they are not congruent, but they are similar. And here all circles, if you take any number of circles, they are always similar. If you take any numbers of square, they are always similar. If you take any number of equilateral triangle, they are always similar. So all equilateral triangles are similar, all squares are similar, all circles are similar. Let us clarify the similarity. Two polygons of the same number of sides are similar if, first, their corresponding angles are equal. Second, their corresponding sides are in proportion. Their corresponding sides are in proportion. See the word here. The first two polygons of the same number of sides are similar if their corresponding angles are equal and their corresponding sides are in proportion. Here you cannot compare the similarity of triangle with the square. Similarity of the square with the pentagon. Similarity of the pentagon with the hexagon. So if you must compare the polygon of same number of sides, means you must compare the triangle with triangle and quadrilateral with quadrilateral, pentagon with pentagon, like this way. So here let us take, this is a quadrilateral, and the first condition is, you know that quadrilateral is also polygon. It is a polygon having 4 sides. So here there are 2 quadrilateral. So the number of sides are equal. Next, what you have to check, whether their corresponding angles are equal. See this, here angle A is equals to 155 degree, angle P is also 155 degree, and angle B is equals to 100 degree, and here angle Q is equals to 100 degree, angle C is equals to 70 degree, angle R is equals to 70 degree, angle D is equals to 85 degree, angle S is equals to 85 degree. So these two quadrilaterals are having the angles, equal angles. The corresponding angles of a quadrilateral ABCD and quadrilateral PQRS are equal. That is, angle A is equals to angle P, angle B is equals to angle Q, angle C is equals to angle R, angle D is equals to angle S. The next condition is about the ratio of the corresponding sides. So let us check whether the corresponding sides are in proportion or not. So you take first AB by PQ, that is equals to 1.5 by 3.0, that is 15 by 30 is equals to 1 by 2. Next, about the BC by QR. BC by QR. BC is here 2.5, QR is 5.0, so it is 25 by 50, so it is 1 by 2. Next, SR by DC by SR. You take DC by SR. DC is here 2.4 and SR is 4.8. So it is again 24 by 48. So it is 1 by 2. Then you take AD by SP. AD is 2.1. SP is 4.2. That is 21 by 42. So 21 ones are 22 twos are. Again you got 1 by 2 here. So therefore here the ratio of the corresponding sides are equal, means the corresponding sides are in the same proportion. That is, AB by PQ is equals to BC by QR is equals to DC by SR is equals to AD by SP and the ratio is equals to 1 by 2. So the corresponding sides are in proportion. And the conditions holds good here. First condition, corresponding angles are equal and the corresponding sides are in proportion, means the ratio of the corresponding sides are equal. So here quadrilateral ABCD and quadrilateral PQRS are similar. Quadrilateral ABCD and quadrilateral PQRS are similar. In this way, let us verify the quadrilateral of different figures and different polygons having same number of sides. Now let us check the similarity of these two quadrilaterals. Here ABCD and PQRS are quadrilateral, means they are having same number of sides. And see here ABCD is a square and PQRS is a rectangle. In ABCD all the four sides are 3 cm. In the rectangle PQRS two sides are 3.5, 3.5 and the other two sides are 3 and 3. So if you know that, check about the corresponding angles. Here the first condition, that is about the corresponding angles. So you know that in square and rectangle all the angles are right angle. So here the corresponding angles are equal. Angle A and angle P, if you take, that both of them are equals to 90. Angle B and angle Q, they are also equals to 90. Angle C and angle R, they are also equals to 90. Angle D and angle S, they are also equals to 90. Now you check about the ratio of the corresponding sides. Check whether the corresponding sides are in proportion or not. So you take AB by PQ, that is 3 by 3.5. Next BC by RQ, that is 3 by 3. Here you got 1 and this two 3 by 3.5 is not equals to 1 or 1 by 1. Therefore you can say that AB by PQ is not equals to BC by RQ. The corresponding sides are not in proportion, means ratio of the corresponding sides are not equal. Therefore these two figures are not similar figures. This ABCD is not similar to PQRS. Now let us see these two figures. These two are also quadrilateral, so they are having same number of sides. Now first condition, check about the corresponding angles, check whether they are equal or not. You know that it is a square. ABCD is a square, means all are 90 degree. And here this is a rhombus, and you know that in rhombus all angles are not right angles. And first condition not holds good here because the corresponding angles are not equal. Second condition may holds good here, that is 2.1 by 4.2, you will get 1 by 2 in all the cases. Here in the rhombus all the four sides are 4.2 and in square all the sides are 2.1. The ratio becomes 1 by 2. So the corresponding sides are in proportion, means the ratio of the corresponding sides are equal here. But the first condition, the corresponding angles are not equal. Corresponding angles are not equal. Therefore these two figures are not similar. Two figures are not, even though their corresponding angles are equal, and they are not similar figures. So let us see the exercise 2.1. Fill in the blanks using the correct word given in brackets. First one is all circles are dash. Here there are two words, congruent, similar. Which word is suitable here? Because you know that when the circles are said to be congruent, if they are having same radii. But here all circles means there is no chance of having same radii. So you can write all circles are similar. And second one, all squares are dash. The words are again similar and congruent. You know that square may have same measurements. All squares may have same measurement of sides or different measurement of sides. But here if they are having same measurement of sides, then only they are congruent. But here all squares means they may have or may not have equal sides. So you can say that they are similar. Next, all dash triangles are similar. You know that all equilateral triangles are similar. Fourth question, two polygons of the same number of sides are similar if their corresponding angles are, you know that they are equal. Corresponding angles are equal and their corresponding sides are, here there are two words, that is proportional. Corresponding sides are proportional. They must be in same proportion. Give two different examples of pairs of similar figures, non-similar figures. You can give one example. You can take that two squares, and non-similar squares you can take square and rectangle. And you can give more number of examples here. State whether the following quadrilaterals are similar or not. And here there are, first figure is PQRS and all the sides are 1.5 centimeter and it is a rhombus. The second figure is ABCD, that is a square of sides 3 centimeter. And you know that here these two are the quadrilaterals as they are having four sides. But the first condition, what about the angles, corresponding angles? You know that in square all the four angles are right angles. In rhombus they are not right angles. So you can say that corresponding angles are not equals. But here the ratio 1.5 by 3, 1.5 by 3, 1.5 by 3, 1.5 by 3. You are getting the ratio 1 by 2, means all the sides are in proportion. Corresponding sides are in proportion. But the first condition, the corresponding angles are not equal. Therefore, these two quadrilaterals are not similar. That is about the exercise 2.1.